For what?
He was in the driver's seat.
For what?
Drunk driving.
Here I know. You searched that's my car. That's my car. You didn't have my permission.
On February 25th, 2023, concerned staff at a bar in Ohio called officers about a possible drunk driver in the parking lot.
Hey, sir.
Officers are outside the bar and found the driver asleep with his foot on the gas pail while the car was still running. Officers begin knocking on the driver's window to get his attention.
Take your foot off the gas. Just go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me, all right? How much have you had to drink tonight?
73 to 30, advise reference.
You need a mag to respond?
I'm tired, dude.
You're passed out with your foot on the pedal. It's in the gas, the accelerator. Do you realize what could have happened here, right?
Smoked any weed today?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Earlier, yeah.
Yeah, when was the last time?
Earlier,
It smells like it in the car.
I need her on to go 1%.
The suspect admits to officers he had been drinking and smoking marijuana earlier that night. While talking further with the suspect, officers discovered the vehicle belongs to the suspect's girlfriend, who's still inside the bar.
I shouldn't drive.
Why don't you think you should drive?
I shouldn't have been real, sir.
Why don't you think
Because I've been drank. Like, that was stupid.
I'm sorry. That was bad. That shouldn't have happened.
But if someone walked out and you hit them, man, you'd be going
You're
through
right,
a lot,
you're right,
lot more than what
you're
you're
right.
going through right now.
You understand, sir, if you weren't in park, your car would have been going across the street into traffic.
100%.
After refusing the field sobriety, TESS officers arrested the suspect for suspected OVI.
You promise I'm not going to jail?
I can't make that promise. If you could find a ride, you won't go to jail.
I promise. Please call my mom.
Hold on one second,
Girlfriend's
sir.
in there, dude. I'm so sorry.
As officers began searching the vehicle, the suspect's girlfriend, Kara, exited the bar and confronted the officers.
Oh my god. What the going on? That's my car.
Okay. Well, here,
What the are you doing?
You need to calm down.
No,
or
you need to get the
you're
out of my
placed
car.
under arrest. You want to be
For
placed
what?
Then talk.
To go to record this right now.
Okay.
What the for what?
Who
To go to record
was?
this right now. I did literally nothing wrong. No. Why the Hey, somebody record this right now.
53.
Whoa. What?
Please somebody record this. What the Why are you searching my car? This is my car. You have zero reason to search this.
Because your boyfriend was passed out in the car. And
For what?
Wait,
For what?
he passed out.
For what?
He was in the driver's seat.
For what?
Drunk driving.
Are you shitting me right now?
No, he's in the cruiser.
He had his foot on the gas, completely passed
What
out.
are you talking about? Why are you in my car?
Because he was in the car, he was operating the car, and he's now under arrest for
How? How? Where's the security footage? Run it! Run the security footage!
Responded out to the parking lot.
He was in the parking lot.
Where's the security footage? Are you shitting me right now? You searched that's my car! That's my car! You didn't have my permission!
Are you want to take your marijuana?
My marijuana?
Yeah. Because there's
You arrested him!
Yeah, there's marijuana in the car.
That's my
Doesn't
car!
matter. There's marijuana in the car.
So you want to arrest me for a $150 charge? Go ahead. Slap me with the ticket because it's decriminalized in the state of Ohio.
Is it your
It's
marijuana?
decriminalized in the state of Ohio. It is decriminalized in the state of Ohio. Is it or is it not?
Is it yours or is it not?
You want to sit here and interrogate
Is
me?
it yours or is it not?
Is it or is it? I'm asking you a question. Is it or is it not decriminalized in the state of Ohio? That's my SUV. You don't have my permission to search any goddamn more.
I don't need your permission.
Go ahead.
No,
you're not gonna search my car.
You need to raise your voice or you're gonna be placed under
For what?
arrest.
For what?
You're impeding our
That's my
investigation
car.
right now.
Your investigation for what? That's my car. You do not have get a search warrant. That is my f***ing car. That is my f***ing car, and you do not have my permission.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I suggest to go with your friend.
You do not have my permission to search my car anymore.
We're going to search your car.
You're not going to search my car.
You're
not going to search my car.
You're going to be placed under arrest.
For what? For what?
Okay.
For what? You do
Right
not
now,
have my car to search. That's my
I've been
car.
calm with you, and I'm
being calm with you too right now. You do not. For what? What are you going to arrest me for? What are you going to arrest me for?
Obstructing official business.
Obstructing official business?
Search the car
For what?
for the marijuana.
Where?
That's in the car,
Show me that right
with
now.
the open container.
Show me
and
that.
the car
Show me the
keys
law.
and
Pull it up on the web right now. Pull it up. And I'll be calm.
Okay.
I'll walk away.
The marijuana's in the car. There's 2 bags of
For marijuana?
Yes. And because he was drinking and driving, the car's going to be towed. There's an open container. Okay?
Where's the law that you have the right to search my car
I
without
just
permission?
explained that to you. Okay, I just explained everything to you. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. I'm not going to keep arguing with you. And if you're going to continue to be like this, you're going to be placed under arrest for
what?
obstructing. Okay? For obstructing.
Well, I'm gonna get my belongings out of my goddamn car.
You can do that once we're done. All right.
Go ahead.
All
You
right.
can search all my shit.
Okay.
Pull it out right now.
Continue to do this, you're going to be placed under arrest.
And you're gonna stop.
So if you
I'm
want,
telling you right now. I'm gonna tell you right now.
Calm and let us do our job.
I'm being calm.
That's fine. But if you're not,
And I'm gonna be sitting right the when you search my car because you're not placing
Okay.
shit on my
Just-
goddamn boyfriend.
just
I'm gonna
say-
sit. I know.
just say
I'm
on
gonna
the
sit right here.
Just
I'm
say-
gonna
you're
no.
not
Because
gonna
I'm gonna
sit- you're
watch
not
you
gonna
search
sit
my
right
car.
You're not going to sit.
Why don't I have the right to search my car? Why don't I have the right to watch you search my car?
You can just stand over there.
Yeah, and I'm gonna watch him. I'm gonna step back. I'm gonna step back. And I'm gonna place it on f***ing video. That's all I'm asking.
Step back against
That
the wall
fine?
so he's not. Yeah, go back against the wall.
Good. Whatever angle you're at, I'm walking behind you, and I'm gonna put.
You're not walking. You're not walking behind me.
I am walking.
That's why I explained why you'd be placed under arrest for obstructing.
I literally don't have nothing on me.
Okay.
I literally don't have nothing on me. It's on me right now. I want to walk behind you
We're gonna
because you're
handle
not gonna
this
place shit on my
Okay.
goddamn boyfriend. He's a felon.
Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Obstruction of official business.
Go ahead, because I have money, baby. We're gonna sue the state of Claremont
But
County.
tonight you won't be.
Stop
Just the rest. She goes to jail.
I literally did nothing. You have no.
Put your hands behind your
because
back.
I asked
Put your hand
for
behind
it.
your back, ma'am.
Am I? I'm literally standing right here. Good.
Where's the cruiser?
Mine's right here.
Who's gonna
He's in
Because I asked.
He's in there.
Because I asked to record the angle of my vehicle so he didn't place drugs.
okay?
Because he's a felon, so you don't place drugs on him. Get the
Stop.
get off.
Right now.
Oh, so I need 5 men. Get the I need one mother. Get one mother. Can arrest me. Go ahead. Go ahead. Get the
I got her.
Go ahead. Get the Oh, because we got a right there.
Cameras all over around.
Yeah, dude.
If you kick again, you're gonna get hobbled.
I literally didn't. Are you?
Get in the car.
Where's your mark?
Get in the car.
Where's your
Get
mark?
in the car.
Where's your mark?
Get in the car.
Get in the car.
Putting the seatbelt on.
Thank you, please. Safety is very important. Couple of years old. I can get about 3 badges out. Got about 3, you saw it.
An officer located pill bottles and bags of marijuana while searching the vehicle.
I would just do a.
I can't promise you that, sir, but my intention is not to take you to jail. You understand? Hold on, sir.
You can't search my car.
Get back at the car. Get back to the car. Hey, Sarge, I'm taking it back to the PD for a test.
An officer tells the boyfriend he can go home, but later decides to take him to the police department for a breath test.
53, I'll be en route to Philgar, where for beginning.
I literally hope your wife is cheating on you with a black man and she goes home in the hospital because you have like 6 kids that you don't
121 916
And I mean that from the
121
bottom of my heart.
916.
Do not have the be placed under arrest right now. Let's go, because I cannot wait till my lawyer gets all of this. And I should pay like 14 bucks an hour. Yeah, you wanna know how much I make an hour? And all I do is show my titties for a living. Your wife's a disgusting and you're nasty, and you literally work around, drive around, taking your life with a guy, which is honestly disgusting because the government's like.
The suspect was charged with obstructing a visual business resisting arrest and disorderly conduct.